Right, welcome back folks. Today we're going to be looking at sharing amounts using ratios, and we'll do that with some lovely examples. First example then, we're going to share £10 between Mandy and Laura in the ratio of 3:2. Well, our first step with that 3:2, 3 parts to 2 parts, is to add them together to find the number of equal parts. So we have 5 equal parts in this ratio. We're then going to divide our £10 using those 5 parts. So we now know that 1 part is worth £2. Well, Mandy gets 3 of those parts because her name is mentioned first and the 3 comes first in the ratio. So we're going to times Mandy's 3 parts by the £2 to find that Mandy gets £6. Similarly, Laura will get 2 parts, again each worth £2, meaning Laura gets £2 times that 2 parts, she gets £4. Do pause the video if you think I've gone over it a bit too quickly on that first example. Right, our second example then. A 35 milliliter orange drink is made by mixing orange juice and water in the ratio of 4:3, 4 parts to 3 parts. And that is 4 parts orange juice to 3 parts water because of the order they're mentioned in the question. How much of each ingredient is needed? Well, the same as last time, we're going to add together those two numbers, the 4 and the 3, 4 parts and 3 parts, to find that we get 7 equal parts. Now we want to know what each of those 7 parts is worth, how many milliliters in each of those parts. So we're going to do 35 divided by 7 to find out that each part is worth 5 milliliters. Now to find out how much orange juice is needed, well, that's worth 4 parts, so we need to do 4 times that 5 milliliters. So we find there's 20 milliliters of orange juice. And similarly for the water, it's mentioned second in the question, therefore it's the second part of the ratio, which is 3 parts, so 3 parts each worth 5 milliliters. It's going to be 15 milliliters. Again, pause the video if you wish to copy that down, or just to make sure you're happy with that working. Quick recap then of the key steps, the steps we take to work out these questions. We find the total number of parts by adding together the ratio parts we're given. We divide the amount by the total number of parts to find out a value of 1 part. And to finish off, we multiply the value of 1 part by the amount of parts you're trying to find. Your turn now then. Pause the video. Here is 6 questions for you to try, dividing and sharing different amounts of money into different ratios. And the second part of this task, we have some worded problems. Now we're sharing money in ratios and sweets and pencils. So again, pause the video, try these questions, show all your work in, and enjoy.